the one and only Alina Shah, aka Safina, aka Kiryana, and aka Serish Motiwala. Motiwala. Linzu, a very warm welcome.
Thank
How
you.
are you feeling?
I'm feeling really nervous and I'm really excited. We thought about it for so long.
About the podcast,
about
yeah?
the podcast, and now we're finally doing it.
Yeah.
So it feels like an honor. Thank you so much.
Well, it is an honor for us.
It is, I know.
तो अलीना को माशाल्लाह जितना स्टारडम फेक न्यूज से और फेक इंफॉर्मेशन की बेस पे मिल चुका हुआ है, और ये भी कहा जाता है कि हिंदू घराने में क्रिश्चियन पैदा हुई है. It is just amazing. Like हम
ये पैदा हुई थी हिंदू, लेकिन इन्होंने चेंज
2 नवंबर
को सिंध में हिंदू घराने में फिर क्रिश्चियन हो गई. मैंने कहा दैट इज अनयूजुअल.
तो इतनी एनिग्मेटिक पर्सनालिटी का आखिर लाइक तो हम डिबंक करना चाह रहे हैं. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स
मैं खुद डिबंक हो चुकी इस प्रोसेस में कि व्हाट शुड आई स्टार्ट बिलीविंग ऑल दिस. आई थिंक आई एम ऑल ऑफ दीस थिंग्स.
सो हाउ डिड यू फील
आई थिंक इमरान अब्बास इज आल्सो पुलिंग हिज हेयर कि लाइक मैं कौन सी बहन है ये.
I was looking at your Instagram though, yeah, you were like बस कर दें.
नहीं. I was like ठीक
जाने दो,
कोई बात नहीं.
लेकिन I'm so sorry to break it to all my viewers कि कोई इमरान और कोई बिलाल नहीं, because I take personal offense. She is my sister, and the only sister she has is me. और आपको ये कैसा लगता है जब आपके बारे में ये भी कहा जाता है कि 10 साल से धक्के खा रही थी और फाइनली 10 साल
I've started to believe all those things. I'm like हाँ मैं खा रही थी धक्के. मैं 36 साल की हूँ. मैं 40 साल की हूँ. मेरे 2 बड़े बेटे हैं. I can't even look कि वो किधर हैं.
36 साल की तो
इमेजिनरी मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं.
हो तो सही 36 साल की.
नहीं मैं ज्यादा हूँ. 40.
But you started from somewhere, right? After the
we all start somewhere.
Wonderful. So Lina, of course, I to of course know, and everybody who is close to you know what the reality is. But you have got a lot of national and international recognition once the role of Safina was played out. Even though आपने किरियाना का भी रोल किया, आपने सैरिश मोतीवाला का भी रोल किया, लेकिन सफीना ने जितना incredible amount of traction और international मोहब्बत आपको जो दिलवाई है, it literally ended up putting you on the map. So even though personally I felt कि किरियाना we see as a crazy, hyper, always thinking about how to make money, you know, and always business minded. And you were catering to the niche of young women who are actually looking to pursue their career, looking to make money, being smart about money, starting their own businesses. But Serish Motiwala catered to that niche of independent women who are either going through divorce and they have a kid to look after, but that person comes from a certain area of privilege where she does not have to worry about finances, but she's business minded, she's a smart, independent woman. But Safina, which actually puts you on the map, हम देखते हैं कि एक वो docile, subservient किरदार जो आपने अदा किया, and that touched the hearts of so many people. How has your journey been? From Kiryana to Serish Motiwala, all the way to Safina.
It's one of those pinch me moments, Fatima. You don't really expect. आपको समझ नहीं आती कि आपकी लाइफ कहाँ जा रही है. एकदम से आपको एक opportunity मिलती है. You have a lot of responsibility on your shoulders. I feel कि all 3 characters, you know, you don't really find many characters जो इस तरह की messaging करें. It stands true to this day. अल्लाह ताला उसको ये फल देता है कि वो इतनी दुखों के बाद, इतनी तकलीफों के बाद वो सुर्खरू होती है बहुत आगे जाके.
But the trends have changed to a certain extent because Serish Motiwala was an example of that, wasn't it? And so was Kiryana, if I were to say.
You have many such women in. अगर आप अपनी real life में देखें, you have a lot of women who are actually breaking all these, you know, breaking the shackles of society and actually setting a precedent. कि आपने ऐसे होना है, अगर हम कर सकते हैं. So many women we know in that capacity, जिनके साथ like they've gone through divorces, they've been homeless at some point in their lives, लेकिन they started, I mean, उनको अपनी जिंदगी को 30s में शुरू करना पड़ा. Some started in their 40s, लेकिन उन्होंने rebuild की अपनी life. Why aren't we talking and celebrating such women? लेकिन we always target women जो दबी हुई हों, थकी हुई हों, उनके पास कोई opportunity ना हो. They can't be anything in life without a man's support, without their family support. और अगर आगे जाके वो इतना ज़्यादा sacrifice कर ही रही हैं एक abusive marriage में, एक subjugated society में, तो end result उनका ये हो कि उनके बच्चे अच्छे निकलेंगे. बस ये हमने benchmark set किया हुआ है कि वो आगे जाके when she's in her 50s, 60s, so she can look back and be like, हाँ, it paid off.
Right.
That's not true. we can't be further away from reality. So when Kiryana came to me, when Serish came to me, when Safina came to me, you have such women in society.
Exactly.
And you need to highlight and celebrate such women.
Such diversity.
Such diversity.
Exactly.
And such this is the truth of the society that we हम लोग जान के इसको conceal करते हैं.
True.
So that our women don't get ideas according to men.
And that is so sad.
No, it is the truth at the end of the day. It's a
Agreed.
fact, Fatima.
True.
I've received so many fan mails जिसके अंदर women have actually told me कि हमारे husbands को issue है कि हम आपके ड्रामे देख रहे हैं, especially the one that is on air right now. क्योंकि it's got, like, you know, basically औरत सोचने लगी ना, it's gotten them thinking कि, like, you know, why? Now they are questioning the why. They want to know the why of everything.
कि इतने time से exploit होती रही.
Exploitation चल
and then
रही
your
है.
character came.
And then, you know, they saw themselves in that character, in that उनको लगता है कि बस setup different है, character मतलब शक्लें नहीं है, लेकिन हूबहू वही चीज है.
True.
And you know, I mean, एकदम से होता है ना कि आप एक affect में होते हो, you're like under the effect of some kind of, you know, like आपका एक spell टूट जाता है, and you're like, what? I mean, really?
Yeah.
So the husbands or the in-laws don't want the women to question the why of everything. And now women have started questioning that. So a lot of men conceal that. They don't want women to figure out कि like अच्छा हमारी power है और हम इसको unleash कर सकते हैं. They don't want you to get out of that idea कि you can be something on your own.
True.
So there are women who have sent me mails and or even messages and even DMs के our husbands don't like the fact that we watch your show because they don't want us getting ideas. And every time we want to watch your show, हमें छुप के देखना पड़ता है, ये कोई issue ना हो जाए.
Oh my.
कि like they're constantly keeping tabs on us कि हम ये show ना देखें.
मतलब you've actually posted a thread to patriarchal
No, we've gotten them thinking.
Society.
We've gotten them thinking.
Yeah.
Anything that gets you thinking is a threat.
Is a threat, 100%.
ठीक है ना, especially in a society जहाँ पे जंगल का कानून है.
That is true. तो Alina, I know that, of course, जब काफी actors हैं जिन्होंने अपने जो career start करते हैं, and acting in general per se, it is a very rewarding role once it comes to fruition. लेकिन back end में, I want to know, and I want my viewers to know that behind the camera, how was your journey? Because I, as your sister, know there was a lot of mental and physical stress, and a lot of mental and physical barriers that you had to surmount in order to get the project done. Do you perhaps want to shed some light on that? क्या आपके कभी कोई breaking points आए? क्या चीजें थी कि कभी आप उठी और आपने कहा मेरी बस हो?
Every day.
Do you perhaps want to share a story or two?
I think.
And I remember कि Kiryana के time पे you got super sick, and the director told you, or the director, probably the producer, they asked you if you want to leave, you can leave. But you were like, I will not leave. And then you had to sign a document or something like that. I want you to tell my viewers about that.
The thing is कि उस time पे peak COVID फैला हुआ था. 2020 के बाद 2021 में ये हुआ था shoot, और उस time पे we didn't want to take any chances. Definitely मतलब लोगों को दोबारा भी COVID हो रहा था. And we were really scared. तो जब हम लोगों का पहला जब हमने first day हमने shoot किया, तो the next day I was throwing up because I had violent food poisoning.
And you have always had a sensitive stomach.
Yeah, obviously ऊपर से change in weather भी, environment भी, ऊपर से आप लोग मैं भी COVID से निकल के भी I was getting normal as well. बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स को आपको देखना पड़ता है. आपकी खुद की भी ना जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है वो काफी वीक हुआ